$4,036 plus $3,000 at the Kula event the other night.
Which will allow me to pay some folks soon. So this sign says to pay soon, like right away. Artists will be paid with the money that we got. We can pay the vendors. Andy Gump, Andy Gump, the people that get the toilets. We had the most luxurious toilets at Raj.
Yes, we did.
The toilets at Raj were to live for. Anyway, we're going to give the Andy Gump and pay them off completely. That was thousands of dollars for those Gumps to be there. For those.
They were worth every penny.
They were worth every use. So we're paying Andy Gump off completely. Yay! We're going to pay some money toward our artists. And so Finian, you're going to get some money. And Phyllis Banks, you're going to get some money. All the house band, all of them will get money. Everybody will get some money until we pay off everybody. Thank you, security and water people. And Barbara Morrison, you've been the best. So thank you. And the luminaries, you're going to get the money too.
Woo!
So, we're going to keep going. Raj is rising. Yes, thank you so